Alright, so this is my 95 240SX S14. Just put a pretty much stock RB25 swap in. Z32 MAF airflow, intercooler kit, intake, 3-inch downpipe, and exhaust, basic bolt-ons. I just primed it. I'm about to do first startup. I don't expect all of my gauges to work, but we'll see. Fuel pump kicked on. Oh, I'm running stock computer. It's not chipped, no SAFC or anything, so it may not idle worth a shit. About 50 pounds of oil pressure at idle. It's idling like shit. About 40 pounds of fuel pressure. Everything's a mess. Wires everywhere still.